And here is a new video. This is the part that's finished in the machine. And I will back out and go back in to show you the wrench, which is a torque wrench. And I'll undo that vise. And I will undo that vise. I will pull the part out. I'll usually blow it off, but not just yet. Then I take and blow off the tip that might be underneath on the vise. These are vices. And I will take my new piece to go in. It looks the same, but the one on the right is just roughed. Then we finish it. I will put that part in next to the stop. Close the torque wrench until it clicks. And I will do the same with this one. Then I'll take my little hammer and tap down the edges to make sure they're down. Then we'll close the door. And come over to the control panel. And there's a green button that you go on. And then the machine starts running for another 16 minutes. That's the beginning of the program for one tool. Those are all the tool length offsets. That's what axis is running right now. Those are your different RPMs and feeds and chip load. And up at the top it's giving you the codes that are being used. And we have a coolant flashing, but that's false.